live stream was scheduled, not the thumbnail. The live stream was scheduled for 10:30, I should say, but we've gone earlier to get some of the early morning departures. So here we are, a Chinese-built Airbus A320NEO. Pretty cool. Feel free to use those during the live stream. I started them last night. Hopefully you enjoyed it. British Airways.
Paul, 2610, thank you so much for your kindness, Paul. That's really, really good of you. Thank you for doing this. You're more than welcome here. Thank you so much for your kindness, Paul. Really, really appreciate that. Here we go. Chinese-built Airbus A320NEO operating for Easyjet.
Thank you so much again, Paul.